Is there anyone who is not interested to hear some inspiring words? Everyone in our society always try to hear inspiring words, so I will try to discuss about such some inspiring words. Hi friends, I am Rafiqul Islam. Welcome back to my lesson. Perhaps you can think I have come before you to tell about freelancing. Actually, definitely not. I have come before you to do something different today. My today's topic is on some inspiring adjective. First one is moving. What is moving? Moving, it's an adjective. Moving means appealing or rising. Appealing or rising. His space moving. His space was very moving. His character was very moving. He has a moving character. Second one is admirable. Admirable means showing respect. Showing respect or blessed person. Admirable means showing a respect or a blessed person. The person who has extra qualities, who has extra virtues, is an admirable person. We can tell him as an admirable person. We can say in a sentence, his speech is very admirable. He is an admirable person. He is an admirable person. Third one, enthusing. Enthusing means active person. Enthusing means active person. When someone is very knowledgeable, we can say in other words, when someone is very knowledgeable or active person, we can say in a sentence as example, his words are very enthusing. His words are very enthusing. He is an enthusing person. I always like enthusing speech. Let's get we start. Fourth one. The fourth one is encouraging. Encouraging means getting support or getting energy. Encouraging means getting support or getting energy. My father's speech is always encouraging. Your speech is very encouraging. Sometimes we always try to hear some encouraging words before a television set or a large gathering. Encouraging words always gives us inspiration. My father's speech is my father's speech is always encouraging. I always like to hear encouraging words. Let's get we start fifth one. Fifth one is steering. What is steering? Steering means active, or steering means active or stimulating. Steering means active or stimulating. His steering roles pleased me. I always pleased with his steering role. His steering role pleased me. I always like to see his steering roles. The last one is rousing. What is rousing? You can say what is rousing. Rousing means exciting or stimulating. Its rousing space spellbound me. You can say as example, use your rousing space spellbound me. I always wait to hear your rousing space, rousing words. I always try to hear your rousing words. I always try to hear your rousing words. His rousing speech gave us energy. His speech is very rousing. Okay, so here are the five adjectives to express our inspiration. Hope you enjoy my today's lesson and use them in your practical life. I will be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, take care and be safe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon